20 Coolest Gaming Gadgets for Kids on Aliexpress. It doesn't matter how often you game or which consoles you have, your gear can make or break your experience. Whereas a cheap headset or a low-quality monitor typically lead to headaches, the best gaming accessories keep you comfortable, well-equipped, and playing at peak precision. Kozu Under-Desk Headset Holder Mount. While other headset stands only offer a place to store your headphones, the Kozu headset stand is equipped with 3 USB charging ports, providing easy charge to your devices. 4.0 amps output enables the power strip charge 3 devices, including your tablets and smartphones simultaneously at full speed. Save your time up to 50%. With the smart technology, it can automatically identify the type of device and deliver the suitable current for your device, like the original power adapter. Govee TV LED backlight. Add vivid, colorful lighting behind your computer monitor. Immerse you in a real gaming or watching. Create room ambience by installing the LED strip lights behind or under your bed. Dimmable and multiple colors to choose from. Stick the TV, backlights or computer powered up via a USB port. Simple installation, better viewing experience. 4 pounds controller charger PlayStation 4 charger station. 3-hour fast wireless charging with 2 built-in micro USB adapter ports. The Pro charger is perfect compatible for dual shock 4 pounds/4 pounds slim/4 pounds Pro controllers. Save your time for 2 controllers charging simultaneously. Built-in LED indicator in the font screen clearly indicate the charging status. USB cable connects the charging, the controller turns to green color. Plug in the controller turns to red color. Charged fully turns to green color again. It is helpful to know the status. Logitech G502 Hero Wired Gaming. Logitech updated its iconic G502 gaming mouse to deliver even higher performance and more precise functionality than ever. Logitech G502 Hero High Performance Gaming Mouse features the next-generation Hero 16K optical sensor, the highest performing and most efficient gaming sensor Logitech has ever made. Razer Kishi Mobile Game Controller. Bring your A game anytime, anywhere. Introducing a universal gaming controller that fits most smartphones, designed to bring console-level control to your mobile gaming. With this controller by your side wherever you go, victory will follow. The Razer Cortex mobile app lets you discover new and popular mobile games and utilize the Game Booster for game and device optimization. SteelSeries Key Gaming Surface. Tested by the top mouse sensor manufacturer, the high thread count and smooth surface optimizes mouse tracking accuracy for both optical and laser sensors. The QC Edge cloth surface is ultra durable and washable. Having a clean surface could mean the difference from winning or losing. The durable, non-slip rubber base is designed to eliminate unwanted movement and provide a solid platform for competitive gaming. Vibon Cool Rechargeable Battery Pack. The Xbox One power accessories support 2 battery charging simultaneously about 5 hours, with no interruption when DC input greater than 5V/1A. Intelligent charging indicate battery kit. When charging time exceeds 5 hours, the indicator light will turn green, and when the battery is not full charging, it will remain red. Racing Wheel Overdrive designed for Xbox Series. ADORI brings the best in build quality, customization options, and authentic racing simulation. With the Racing Wheel Overdrive designed for Xbox Series XS, Horizon's Tokyo design team has brought all the features and quality of a full-size racing wheel, with large and stable foot pedals and paddle shifters. Massive 270-degree turn ratio, completely programmable and adjustable. Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, and Windows 10 compatible. The Racing Wheel Overdrive designed for Xbox Series XS clamps securely to your table or racing wheel stand with sturdy clamps and steel parts. AUX Super Curved Frameless Gaming Monitor. Equip yourself with twice the frame rate of other monitors and say goodbye to image stuttering and blurry motion. With a 144 Hz refresh rate, every frame is rendered sharply and in smooth succession, so you can line up your shots accurately and appreciate high-speed races in all their glory. A pixel response time of 1 millisecond means speed without the smear for an enhanced experience. Fast-moving action and dramatic transitions will be rendered smoothly without the effects of ghosting. Satisfy Zen Grip Pro. One step beyond any other gaming grip. Rigid, ergonomic design places your hands in the perfect position for the Nintendo Switch. Widely acclaimed grip distributes weight to your hands like a traditional console controller, so your fingers are free for more accurate, ergonomic control. Xbox Elite Wireless Controller Series 2. Experience the Xbox Elite Wireless Controller Series 2 featuring adjustable tension thumbsticks, wrap-around rubberized grip, and shorter hair trigger locks. Experience limitless customization with interchangeable components and exclusive button mapping options in the Xbox Accessories app. Save up to 3 custom profiles on the controller and switch between them on the fly. HyperX Quadcast USB Condenser Gaming Microphone. The HyperX Quadcast is the ideal all-inclusive standalone microphone for streamers, podcasters, and gamers that are looking for a condenser mic with impressive quality sound. The Quadcast includes its own anti-vibration shock mount to help reduce the sound of any movements. Magicus Smart Light Bars. Vita Smart App controls your product and also can use physical buttons. Smart App makes your operation more intuitive and faster. Each lamp equips with internal magnets, and it can be well absorbed behind the TV or monitor with the attached magnets help. Super easy installation. Plus S Vision Blue Light Shield Computer. These glasses reduce blue light exposure from digital screen, computers, smartphones, TVs, tablets, as well as fluorescent and LED lighting, even the sun. 100% UV. Keep working and playing on your devices longer without the sore, dry eyes or headaches. Let your eyes stay fresh and healthy. HyperX Cloud Stinger. HyperX Cloud Stinger's ear cups rotate in a 90-degree angle to fit better around your neck, so you can play in comfort for hours. At just 275 grams, HyperX Cloud Stinger won't weight you down, making it ideal for prolonged gaming sessions. The 50mm drivers are parallel to the ear to position sound directly into the ear for gaming-grade sound quality. Play in comfort for hours with HyperX Signature Memory Foam. OIVO Vertical Cooling Stand compatible. With the on/off button to turn the cooler works and stop, fan runs smoothly. It cannot be 100% quiet. It is quieter than your console fan at idle. Increase the service life of the console. When charging, the LED light shows red. Razer Black Widow Elite Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Razer Black Widow Elite is a gaming keyboard designed for prime performance, featuring Razer mechanical switches for faster actuation and a durable 80 million keystroke lifespan. A multifunction digital dial provides media controls, and the USB 2.0 and audio pass-through allows easy cable management. Everlasting Comfort Seat Cushion Pillow. Made with pure memory foam, our pressure relief seat cushion uses your own body heat to adapt to your curves, giving you the support your current office chair lacks. Hard seating surfaces lead to pressure points in your lower body. With our seat cushion for office chair, it cradles your bottom. PicTech 4 pounds controller. A 6-axis sensor, dual vibration feedback, a turbo button, an ergonomic design, an audio port, a microphone switch, a rechargeable battery that lasts 16 hours. The PicTech 4 pounds controller seemingly has it all. Oculus Rift S. The Oculus Rift S displays virtual reality right in front of your eyes with bright, vivid colors, and it offers impressive precision and movement tracking no matter which way you're facing. Each order comes with access to hundreds of games in the Oculus Store. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.